Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have another Hot Wheel case unboxing, and we have the Hotwheels C Case for 2024. I know it's a little out of order. I did get a D case pretty early, and now we're doing a C case. So it's a little backwards, but bear with me on that. Before we get busted into this, I do want to mention I do have a merch store, and I'm giving away this Hot Wheel RLC custom fleet side. This thing is completely free to whoever wins. Hop on my merch store, make a purchase, you automatically get entered into this, and that's the back of it if you guys were curious. But I do have a lot of Hot Wheels on there, including mainlines, RLCs, premium cars, monster trucks, and much other collectibles. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And a lot of the duplicates from this case that are like in great condition will probably be on there as well. So definitely go check it out. If you see certain cars from this, high probability they will be on my merch store. So definitely check it out. Link in the description down below and get entered into this giveaway. It ends February 29th, so you do not want to miss out. But I did notice this case when it came in did have some damage. You guys can kind of see that whole corner is kind of crushed in, the whole edge all the way down. So I am probably expecting there to be some damage, but let's go ahead and lay this carefully on its side. There we go. And let's go ahead and bust this thing open. There we go. And then right across the front there. Guess I didn't push hard enough. And then there we go. Alright, let me just slide this back a little bit. Go ahead and get this thing all opened up. And let's go ahead and get started with the case unboxing. So we're going to start right up on top. And let's see what we got. Alright, so we have a Corvette C6, the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and the Road Bandit. Next three. Okay, so we got the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, the El Segundo Coupe, and the Night Dragon. Okay, so we got the Rockin' Railer, the Wheelie Chair, but we have the Back to the Future Time Machine in hover mode, and that is the obviously the DeLorean. So that's really awesome. I love that car. Oh, okay. All right, so we got the 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser, and we have the regular treasure hunt for the case. Before we check that out, we got the McLaren Solus GT in a really cool color. But this right here is the Tooligan, and that is the treasure hunt. You guys can kind of see that treasure hunt logo right there. So that's pretty cool. And then I don't know if you can kind of see it behind the car right there. Maybe I'll tip it up. You guys can kind of see the text. Maybe not. Yeah, the text behind the car right back there. So unfortunately it's not like I'd say a lot of people would say this is not a cool treasure hunt, but it is still a treasure hunt. There you go. You kind of see that. But I think that's pretty interesting. Let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of that. Alright, so we have the Limited Grip, the Audi RS e-tron GT, and another El Segundo Coupe. We have the Lulux, the Custom 89 Camaro, and the 87 Dodge D100. Ooh, okay, this is actually in great condition too. So we have the gold Honda Civic SI, another Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, and another Corvette C6. Alright, got some cool ones here. We got the 07 Chevy Tahoe, the Mod Rod, and the Mazda AutoZan. We have the we have the GMC Hummer EV, but then I just noticed that this Ford F-150 Lightning Custom had a bent hook, so that's too bad. Then we also have the 72 Stingray convertible. Alright, we have the Batman and Robin Batmobile, the Loopster, and the Proton Saga. Okay, so we have the Humvee, the Croc Rod, and this was actually the Super for the previous case, but the 2018 Camaro SS. Obviously, it's the regular one, but kind of saw it for a second and it threw me off. And the last three for the first half of the case. Oh, we got some really awesome cars here. We got the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor, the Volkswagen T2 pickup, and the Baja Bison. Alright, let me go ahead and pull the divider out, and let's move on with the rest of the case, starting up right on top. Oh, I kind of stuck here. Alright. Let's see what we got. We have the Audi RS e-tron GT, the Drift and Brake, and then another limited grip. Oh, okay. So we have another Batman and Robin Batmobile, another 87 Dodge D100, and we have the Nissan Skyline RS. It's the R30. The thing looks really cool. That purple color is really nice too. It almost kind of has like a blue reflective. I don't know if you guys can kind of really see that there, but it is a really cool color. Alright, so we have another 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, a 1987 Dodge Little Red Express truck, and then the Hot Wheel Braille Racer Twin Mill, which actually has Braille in the packaging. You kind of see it there on the front and all over the car itself. So that one's really cool. Alright, so we have another Nissan Skyline RS R30, a West Coast Flyer, and the Honda CB750 Cafe. Alright, we have another Croc Rod. Got the Mad Mike Drift Attack, which is actually a Mazda 787B race car. And then the Hot Wheel Ultimate T-Rex Transporter. Alright, oh, that's a heavy one. So we have another T-Rex Transporter, another 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor with that HKS livery on it, which looks really cool. And then this one's pretty heavy, but it's a Surfing School Bus. Alright, so we have a 1956 Corvette from the Barbie movie, another Lolux, and another McLaren Solus GT. And I think that thing looks super cool. And I don't know if you can really see the pattern on the car, but in the picture you can kind of see it on the fenders. And I do plan on opening up one of these for the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, because I do a bunch of Hot Wheel races, and every single day I have YouTube shorts with racing Hot Wheels, so definitely subscribe because you don't want to miss out on those. But we have the Mustache, a Group C Fantasy, and another Humvee. Alright, we're getting pretty low in the case here. Ooh, okay, so we got a Nissan Patrol Custom, another Mustache, and another Honda Civic Si, which is really awesome. I only thought there was like one of those in each case, but it's pretty cool getting a second one. And I will say I do have, with both of these, I have one I already kept for myself, and both of these will be on my merch store. So if you guys are interested in picking up this Honda Civic Si, as well as this Nissan Skyline, they will be available on my website, as in addition to like a lot of these other cars. So if you guys are interested, definitely go check out, link in the description down below. Let's get back to the rest of this case. We have another 2018 Camaro SS, the Hot Ryler, and the 57 Jeep FC. Alright, we don't have many left, so hopefully we get the Super still. Ah, I just spoke too soon. We did not get the Super Treasure Hunt, but it would have been this BMW 507. That's what the Super would have been. Dang. Alright, let's go ahead and move on. We got another Braille Racer and another Barbie Corvette. And the final three cars for this case, we actually have a 1972 Stingray convertible, the Batman Robin Batmobile, and the 57 Jeep FC. So that is too bad that we did not get the Super. I was really hoping for it, but we did still get some really awesome cars. We got the regular treasure hunt as well. But like I said, like the majority of these duplicates will be on my website, and as this video goes live, they are already available. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And when you pick those up, you automatically get entered into this giveaway for the Hot Wheel RLC custom fleet side. So definitely don't want to miss out on that, especially because the 29th is coming up really soon. So definitely check out link in the description down below. If you guys did like this video, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see a lot more videos like this. Hot Wheel races every single day with YouTube Shorts and case unboxings and other Hot Wheel videos coming all the time. So definitely hit that subscribe button. But I hope you guys liked the video. But as always, thank you for watching.